So when we're looking at the pH scale is a numbered system that we use to assign how much of an acid something is, or how much of a base something is, or we're looking to assign a quantitative number to the degree of acidity. If you have a low pH, okay, if your number is closer to 0, what does that mean? Molly Beth, what does it mean if you've got a low number?
It's an acid.
It is an acid. Okay, so if I look at this, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The bigger, okay, the further away I get, the bigger the acid is. Okay, do you see how my arrow there gets wider? That means the more acidic it is. The further away to the left on the scale from 7, the more acidic something gets. That means the more hydrogen is in it, right? Because pH means the actual hydrogen protons. Okay, so this means more H plus. Okay, lots of hydrogen. Now, the opposite can be said about bases. The further away you get from 7, the bigger your actual pH gets, the more basic the solution is. That's a horrible arrow, but you understand what I mean. So this has pretty much no H pluses, right? It's the opposite of an acid. Okay? But when we talk about, if we want to fill out the numbers here, something like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, the further away we go, the more basic it is. Just like the further away we go, the more acidic it is on the other side. Okay? Now, if I asked you a question like, an unknown substance has a pH of 9 and the other substance has a pH of 13, which one is more acidic? Okay? If I asked you which one was more acidic between these two, what would you say? Even though both of these are what? These are considered to be what? They are considered to be bases. But which one is closer to the acids? Number 9 in this case, substance with a pH of 9 is going to be, in theory, more acidic than a substance with a pH of 13. Because you want to try and get as far away, okay? If you're going to be as basic as possible, you want to get as far away from 7 as possible. Okay, you want to be the higher number. So the idea of a pH scale, it's a man-made scale, it's a man-made invention used to classify one chemical property. And that one chemical property is the acidity or the basicity of a substance. Okay? And when we go to see about how acidic or how basic something is, and actually I'll bring that down a little bit, we've got to remember that the pH scale is logarithmic, which means it works on a power of 10. Every hop is 10 times more acidic or 10 times more basic. Okay? So from 7 to 8, it's not 1 time more basic, it's 10 times more basic. From 7 to 9, it's not 2 times more basic, it's 100 times more basic. So every one of these numbers is a power of 10. Okay? So we count the hops, and if we were going from 7 to 12, let's say, that's 1 hop, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the 5. Put that into your calculator and it gives you what number? Maya?
10,000.
10,000. That means if I've got a pH of 7, I've got a substance that has a pH of 7, and I have another substance that has a pH of 12, it is 10,000 times more basic. That's a lot, right? Absolutely. Correction, 100,000.